totally normal text. And the second one was what is this guy doing? Let's see.
Just a warning.
So as you type TD, it creates columns that come.
Yeah, exactly. TD is column, but they have to be inside a row, and they have to be inside a table.
So you get 1 year, 1 year.
Exactly, right. And then the TDs, if we have time, I'll go into the TDs. You can put a whole bunch of different parameters on the TDs. You can make them smaller, wider, percent-wise. You can do all kinds of different things there. All right, so what's happening on this line?
No, it's in it. Because table is there.
What is this guy here?
Ball.
Bold, and then it's doing what?
Orange, no.
It's calling the class warning,
Class warning.
and then it's printing this word warning in the color of that class, which happens to be orange. Yeah, exactly. So you end up with that row, you create another row. So now we're creating 2 columns inside this row, and what's happening on this column?
It's calling the method under.
Column under.
Not really. It's calling the method TD period under, right? Because it's a method that is for a TD. Okay, and it's printing that in TD and then under. So what it's going to do, that TD under, all it does, that TD under here. Let's see what it does. What is that guy doing?
Underline.
It's underlining whatever text you put in there. It's going to put an underline on the bottom, and then it's going to line that text to the right. Right? And this guy, the same thing with the next column. It's underlined, and this is underlining, and it's right aligned. Okay. Even though it's got a misspelling there, and let's see if it's true. Let's check here. Okay. So it's underlined, and it's aligned to the right. Same thing with this guy. It's aligned to the right. And I don't know if you can see it, but this guy is also underlined. Yeah. Okay, so this one will be center, and this one has to be bold and right aligned. But there's something wrong here. Because it's not right aligned, that's center, right? Center and bold. So, what happened? Yep, I made a mistake on the writing because this, I'm telling that the class is called center, which the center guy here, this guy here, we call center.
Column and center.
Yep, and that's for the TDs only. Right? So what I need to do is I need to change that
To center.
to center, otherwise you're going like, it's guy's crazy. And center, right? Make sense?
Makes sense.
All right, what's the next guy? So are these guys paragraphs?
No.
Professor?
Yes.
Can you call another method even though there's TD in front of it?
Can you call another method?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
And
yeah.
even though you have TD in front of it? Okay.
Yeah, like right here?
Yeah, that has nothing to do with TD dot center? Like if you call a method, that has nothing to do with TD?
Oh, a totally separate method in
Yeah.
here?
Yeah.
Like, can you call the under in the center?
Like this one that we did over here, that we went ahead and called, when we were writing this section here, we call another method called warning.
Yeah. Well,
Right-
then you
right
have
in the
TD,
middle.
Yeah.
Right, so in other words, let's assume that we want to put this here, right under the word under. We want to make it a different color. Right, so that would be something called, star in this case, class equals, what's the name of the class? Warning, there it is.
Oh, okay. That's how you do
change the, finish the strong there. There you go. Let's see if it works.
You're missing greater than sign, right? After the warning.
Right here, right?
After that. After the quotes.
Right here. Right there. Right?
Right.
So it's gonna print this, the warning says to print it on the orange, so this will be orange, that's how it is. No, actually it's blue.
Oh,
Yeah, we changed it to blue, right?
Yeah, blue,
We
but.
changed it to blue, and it's still doing on the right,
Yeah.
under what? Under, right?
Yeah, underlining
There you go. So yeah, you can mix and match, which is very easy. Okay, so these last two guys over here are supposed to be P and a paragraph. And so this one says that it's a paragraph that is right aligned. It's gonna have the INS. What's INS? Anybody remember what INS is? You should remember.
Insert.
Oh, Immigration and
Immigration Naturalization Services.
I don't remember what INS is.
Text that has been inserted into a document.
Yeah.
Is it?
Free Google.
Okay. My friend Google, huh? So let's see what those guys do. This is a paragraph that is right aligned and with and underlined, and then it's got the warning. And this one is not, this one is not a paragraph, and it is centered, and it's emphatic. Emphatic means the EM. So it's going like this, and then it's got the warning there. So how did this happen? How come this is to the right and this is not? Anybody else?
It's making the paragraph and calling them nothing?
This one is the P, is actually calling the P guy, right?
The method they have.
Which makes it to the right because that's what we call it. And then this one terminates that guy.
Right.
And this one is just center and calls the EM guy. But this line here, the regular body, the default of this guy is actually center. Right? The default of the whole page. So that's about it for today. So we went over 1 minute.
Let's go, Pete.
I think that, yes,
Just the TV class, right? Could you also put their warning instead of under?
instead of under,
Yeah, put warning there, would that be?
sure. How about in addition to it? In addition, yeah, you can do that, because we have this one here and then the warning here.
Oh, and by the way, the site,
The sign is back up?
yes, it's a form.
Why give me some bad news of this?